or not, everything is about brand. And today, it's the Tezlom Conference. It's the second one of 2024. We're here in Oxford. The whole franchise network is here. There's already been some amazing magic this morning. I'm really looking forward to today.
Hi, I'm Jamie Wray. I'm the founder of Ways to Wow. Today I've been heading up the Tezlom Conference. We've been helping the team create wow moments to improve themselves and improve the business. We've had everyone up and down dancing, being energized. We've had creative thinking. We've had laughs, giggles, cries, and all emotions, but all in the art of wow. And it's been an absolute pleasure.
Hi, it's Gemma, the Franchise Relationship Manager at Tezlom. One of the biggest take-homes for me of the day so far is talking about energy transfer. And it's the awareness, really, good or bad, is how it can be transferred onto people you meet, people you walk past, people who can hear you and people who can see you. And it's just that self-awareness, the self-reflection piece on it. And if you see someone in a good state, mirror it. If you see someone in a bad state, try and change it to a good.
Hi, I'm Ollie, Group Business Development Manager over at Tezlom, and wow, what an amazing day today has been so far. My biggest takeaway today would be exceeding expectations for sure. I think in life and in business, I have high expectations for myself and for how I want to be, but I don't really take into account what other people's expectations might be. So for me, understanding what their expectations could be and trying to improve and trying to do better every single time is what I want to achieve, and going forward from today is something I will be achieving for sure.
Behind me, we've got everyone doing an exercise now, what the word wow means to them. When was the last time they said wow? To get them understanding the importance of exceeding expectations with every single thing they do.
Hi everyone, my name is Kay Lou and I'm the Group Brand Manager at Tezlom. So my biggest takeaway for the day is story selling. Now, I've never heard this concept before. It's something that I am familiar with, but I never put a name to it. So the idea behind story selling is you are selling a product, you are giving a service, but you are telling a story to get that product or service into the hands of somebody. We do that visually, we do that audibly, and that's one of my roles here at Tezlom, is to make all of that happen. So yeah, story selling, I love it. Thank you Jamie, thank you Gemma, thank you Ollie, thank you Ryan, thank you Ash and Adam. Wow, wow, wow.